Jack, what are you doing? Jack, look at Grandma. What do you have? Huh? Where are you going? Jack. Jack, turn around. Jack. Jack, where are you going? Oops, get up. What's the matter? Huh? Where are you going? Jack. Jack, stop. Where are you going, huh? Jack. What? What are you doing, huh? Where are you going? Where are you going? Jack. Oops. What happened? What happened, Jack? Huh? Look up here. What happened? Let me see you. Where are you going? Jack. Jack, look over here. Where are you going? No, you're not. Oh, you're going to see Sue. Stop. Jack, what are you doing? Jack, what are you doing? Uh-oh, careful. Be careful.
That's worse than
Jack, what are you doing?
He says,
The other end. You have to hold the other end.
He says, what is this or what's his name?
He's going over by Grandma. Jack, what are you doing? Huh? You got it upside down.
Turn it over.
He's going to get it the right way.
He knows.
He knows. Jack, look at that.
Very good, very good. Hooray.
He knows that's her cane.
For what?
you walk into my backyard, there's like a sunroom that comes out when I was a kid. You walk out on one side, you see this porch.
Jack, what are you doing with the cane? Huh?
Can't get past me.
What are you doing, Jack?
Get past me.
There's like a low
Are you stuck?
The cane is in the way.
Yeah, he's stuck. Let Grandma help you. Let Grandma help you. Look out. Here. Hold on. No, you got to back up? You got it. Okay, you got it. Hurry yourself.
Oh, he's got to have the handle first.
Yeah, you got the handle. There he goes. Where are you going, Jack? Are you coming through that way? There he goes.
And then there's a deck here and a deck here on both sides.
Jack, turn around so I can see your face. Jack.
This thing is like the big.
No, he won't turn around.
So when you look at it,
Jack.
that's one side.
Jack,
That's me
come back.
on the right side.
Jack, come back here. Come on. Come on back.
Same deck, same railings.
Come on.
Like double. Sort of that.
Jack, come back here.
These yellow bushes, they go all
Okay, here he comes. Good.
He's coming.
Yeah, he's coming back. Stop.